Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Anyways, well, most of the time Samsung does give you a lot of customizability that you can do onto your phone. There are a set of applications that you can install where you can have a bunch of more and extra customizations that you can need to do. Those are called Good Luck. So what you need to do first of all, you're going to need to open Galaxy Store and make sure it's updated, and then after that, you're going to search for. You're going to of course click on accept, and then then you're going to search for Good Lock. Okay. Once you find Good Lock, you're going to download it, and then you're going to open it. Now, Good Luck has a lot of set of applications and plugins that you can use to customize your phone. What you need to do is download all of these, and you're going to play around with them so you can see what suits you the most. And as makeup are things for customizations, life up are for shortcuts and things that make your life a little bit easier. So now, as you can see, there's something called Pentastic. This is a customization tool for your S Pen, where you can customize your S Pen from basically the pointer, the sound that it makes when you open when you bring up when you take the S Pen, the navigation menu up there, and yeah, all these customization options and much more on Good Luck that you can use so you can customize your phone. I would recommend for you playing around on all of these. For example, Logstar is something so you can edit your lock screen in your always on display, and and this is really nice because you can change the position of the clock and other stuff. So yeah, that was it. I recommend for you to check all them out, and you're going to customize your S22 Ultra very well. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.